Hey, beautiful souls. No matter what challenges life throws at you, keep them private. When we talk too much about our problems, we unintentionally make them bigger. Why? Because whoever hears about them adds their own layer of worry and fear. They interpret your situation through their own thoughts and experiences, and before you know it, the energy around your challenge becomes heavier. So here's a powerful shift. Share your struggles only with those who can actually help you, like a doctor or mentor. For everyone else, radiate positivity. If someone asks how you are, simply say, "All is well. Everything is perfect." When people think of you as healthy and happy, they send you blessings, and that energy heals you faster. Remember, your words are energy. Speak high vibration sentences like, "My body is perfectly healthy. Everything is excellent. This situation is beneficial for me." Say these affirmations every night before bed and every morning as soon as you wake up. Your mind listens first and your body follows. Protect your energy fiercely. Stop gossiping. Stop complaining. And be mindful of every conversation. After every interaction, ask yourself, did this uplift me or drain me? Choose only those people, parties, and conversations that energize you. Make meditation non-negotiable, at least 30 minutes every morning. This strengthens your aura, raises your vibration, and protects you from negative energy around you. And every single day, repeat these powerful thoughts. I am a soul of golden age. I need nothing from anyone. I am a giver soul. I am God's angel, here to spread happiness. When you live this way, people will feel peace just by meeting you. That is true success. Not just what you own, but who you are. Take charge of your energy, beautiful souls, and watch your life transform into something magical.